Here we go. Our first video for the customer. Okay. Ready to blast the 07 or 08 Ultimate Collection. Here we go. So what's your name?
Sam.
Sam. Okay. Good luck to Sam. This is the second box from today. Second Ultimate box. Okay. Scissors.
First box is sound. How about scissors?
Scissors.
可以看到在应该让什么信函 Daniel okay
You may want this. Yep. It's okay.
it's not a pen
Exciting.
Okay.
Okay. Took a go the first
Okay, first
base
card.
card and T-Mac.
T-Mac
New jersey of T-Mac.
Jersey.
Julian Wright.
oh so it's nice it's the golden
Kevin Durant.
Kevin Durant
Hey.
it's number
Kevin Durant, New Jersey, number 299.
put all the cards here
Go around. Yeah. Go around.
Okay.
Okay. Second mini box.
really nice Mount patch
Logo. No.
no it's not
No. It's not the patch. It's a Big Baby Glenn Davis New Jersey. Corey Brewer,
Connie Brewer let's go
number 250.
sweet
Core jersey of Corey Brewer and Mike Conley.
yeah.
Very nice.
very nice
Yep. Okay. Third box. Better than his box, he said.
It's a very good one.
Mojo oh
Yes,
this is the
Heavy.
This is
Must,
heavy.
must be the
maybe you
pack.
can do the last one
No.
No,
no
I can't wait.
seriously
Kevin Durant logo man. Come on,
coming.
put in my shop.
Okay, ready?
Get ready.
it's really
Ronnie Stuckey, New Jersey, and
oh it's Carl
Landry.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Kevin Durant
No, Jeff Green.
Jeff
Green. Wow, look at that patch.
Julian
It's not
Wright.
bad. Wow,
It's a very nice one.
very nice.
Many colors.
Many colors.
7, 8,
Okay,
9,
Jeff
10,
Green.
12 great
The rookie
Okay, last
review.
box.
Yeah, last box.
Yeah, so many colors.
I thought that's Kevin Durant
Okay, last box. Jordan Farmer, base. Corey Brewer. So many Corey Brewer. AC Low. AC Low.
I got
3 gold version. And Jockey Noah.
yeah, I
New
got
Jersey.
4 rookies
Wow.
Okay.
So many rookies.
Many rookie. I guess the rookie not too bad.
Not too bad, yes.
Julian Wright, Corey Brewer, and Carl Landry. AC Low. The top pick.
this is the case key the box key
Very nice. Cool patch. Jeff Green.
yeah it's very
Number
nice it's number 25
Number 22 is Jeff Green jersey number.
yeah it's a Jeff number yeah
Ah, perfect.
it's perfect yeah
Yup. Okay, see ya.